Live Good is so cool. I feel good. I feel like excited to share the Live Good link,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
if you're watching this, by the way, and you haven't jumped on Live Good yet, all you got to do is click the first link in the description and check out the Live Good tour. It's only 5 minutes. It'll let you know everything you need to know about this opportunity and how dope it is and how you can get
Hmm.
started. And when you join our team, right? We don't leave you hanging, right? We have brainstorming sessions. We actually
Yep.
reach out to you if you want it. We will help you and guide you in the right direction to help you start growing your Live Good business. Because, guys, if you're watching this, like you need to understand, like this is one of them opportunities that you'll probably look back on maybe a year, maybe 2 years. You're gonna
Yep.
look back and be like, damn, oh man, what if I would have got involved with that a year ago or 2 years ago? I should have got with them. Because look at all these people balling off of Live Good. Look at all these, like how this company is exploding. And one quick thing before I go, right now we're mainly with the health and wellness products. But here's the thing about Live Good. In the next few months and the next few years, they are coming out with several different lines of
Hmm.
products. So you're going to be good to go just as a Live Good member and as an affiliate. You are in the position, you're in a win win position. All right. So check that out.